Hey everyone, it's Metal Detective Montana. So I'm going to be cleaning up this old Pison bottle from the 1890s, I believe it's from. And it has a little bit of a chip right there, but I am going to clean it up with some water and get it looking presentable to put on my shelf in my room. So yeah, I am doing a bunch of bottle cleaning videos to put up on YouTube. So if you guys could please hit that subscribe button and that follow, and please share, like, and comment on these videos. They really help out my channel a ton. This one isn't as dirty as some of the other ones, but this is probably going to be a really short video. So yeah, this is like a nice green color, which I really like. And it's a pretty old bottle. I believe it's from the 1890s. It is a liquid cannabis bottle. That's what I saw on the internet about it. So yeah, it used to hold liquid cannabis, which is kind of cool to see. So yeah, and yeah, pretty much clean. It's got that nice green olive color to it, and yeah, it's just a good looking bottle overall. I just like the way the color is on it. So yeah, I'm gonna put some soap in it, try to get some more of that dirt out of it. I'm just gonna fill it up with water and shake it around. That way the dirt can come out easier. So yeah, I'm gonna put the wire brush back in it, try to get some of that dirt out. But I will catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Alright, see ya.